So whatever tools which you can use it in your current day-to-day work, like based on your firewall and like enterprise related. So I use only those enterprise related. I mean, there are thousands of AI tools, but I created a curated list for taking into consideration the enterprise access and everything. So in case you want to write something, so the best AI tool that is available in the market is Jasper AI. All you need to do is like say that like I want to create this, I want to create a mobile app for food delivery. That's it. Automatically Jasper AI will create a thousand words or like 2000 words. It will give you all the use cases and everything. So you can use Jasper AI. And in case after Jasper AI, I would recommend you to use Copy AI and UpCat. So when it comes to writing, and if you're like having that writer blocks, when it comes to documentation, if you're not a big fan of documentation, you can use these three softwares. And in case if you want to generate a prototype, you have an idea that like this prototype should look like this. Like all you need to do is like you give a text like there should be a globe. On top of the globe there should be a symbol S written like that. Instead of you wasting your time in designing, you can use artificial intelligence in order to create that image. Or if you need a mobile app with 3 buttons like login, logout, and forgot password, instead of wasting your time in creating those prototypes, you can give that instruction to the AI, and AI is going to create those images. So the best image creating softwares based on the text prompts will be Rocket AI, Braya, and Midjourney. And Midjourney is like taking it on a different level. If you know effectively to write good prompts, Midjourney can like drastically reduce your. I mean, ideally, it will give a tough competition for the UX designers. So I personally use Midjourney, and I will definitely recommend it. In case if you need to create videos based on if you want to explain about cloud computing, blockchain, or anything, instead of doing it in the PPT format, and if you want videos and everything, all you need to do is like give the prompt, and automatically the videos and the slides will get created. So for that, you can use Super Creator, Runway, and Flicky. And for those folks, a little bit you need to dabble into coding, but you have no idea about writing the logic and everything, then you can use AutoRegX, Lightning AI, and GitHub has come up with a Copilot feature where it will do the entire coding and it will come up with the functions also. You can explore that. And talking about the productivity tools, the best and the one, and I would say like the almost all the product managers, and I mean I've seen Notion being referred in most of the places. Most of the ideas and everything are like recorded in the Notion, and Notion is like altogether a different ecosystem. So Notion also has this AI capabilities wherein you type it, automatically it comes up with the idea, product roadmap, and everything. So Notion AI is like the number one product when it comes to I mean productivity tools for a business analyst and a product manager. And you can also use Slides AI instead of wasting your time creating the status reports and everything. All you need to do is all you have to do is enter the prompt, and the Slides AI will generate that. And you can also use Vertune. So Vertune is quite very interesting tool, which I use it like when it comes to like I can show a demo, because rest all tools it needs access, trials, and everything. So I can show you about Vertune. So Vertune is what I use like ideally when I'm like feeling that like I'm feeling very lazy to type something. So in that case, I'll give it to the Vertune, and I'll ask it to give me some idea, or like prompt me more about it. So now let me log in. Okay. The problem with all these tools is like access, and one day you can use only for 10 times or 15 times or like that. Let me continue with mentioning. You can see my screen. I personally use Vertune in my typical day-to-day work. Okay, still processing request. So based on the situation, like for instance, you are sending an email to the client and you want it to be in the polite way, or you want it to be in the convincing way. So you just need to give that instruction and it will automatically populate the data for you. I mean, it will populate the text for you, the prompts for you. Okay. I mean, it's very slow. I don't know why. Some authentication issue, I guess. Fine. So you guys can explore. I guess, let me wait for another 1 minute. Okay. Once again, I'll show you the list of my tools which I use here. So Notion AI, Vertune, GitHub Copilot, Jasper, Rocket AI, Midjourney, and Runaway. So these are the tools which I incorporated in my daily typical day at work and everything. So maybe I'm saving 30% of my time. 30 to 35% of my time is now automated. I will not do any manual work. I'll just rely on this AI. And it's like not 100% I'll rely. I'll again check for the data. I'll check for the veracity of the data and everything. But like 35% of my time, like maybe out of 8 hours, three hours in a day, I'm saving it because of AI, all because of using AI. So that's all about it, folks. So this is just a beginning. So as a business analyst, try to capitalize or try to learn more about ChatGPT and try to get the information in order to make your life easier.